out here with Big Bass Central. It's been catching bass lately, unlike me. Let's see what's going on in this murky water. Try something else. All right, you figure your stuff out?
Yeah.
Don't shut the hatch on my stuff, man. Come on, man. Seeing fish? It sucks they have this all fenced in. Oh God. Let's go try by the rocks and then we'll leave, huh? Today's kind of a bust, man. It's getting kind of cold. It's getting kind of cold too. Yeah, I'm getting hungry too. You gotta cast at it from here.
From there?
Yep. If I had the jig, I might be able to do it. Ooh.
It's hydrangea kitchen. They have good food.
A good way to start the day is trespassing. I said it was a good way to start the day. I didn't mean nothing by it. How murky? Oh, dude, this is clear. A little murky.
Right there.
Right here.
I already felt the bump.
No way. Oh no, that looked like you got bumped. You'd think they would be up shallow. It's probably warmer in the marina. Whoa. Said you felt a bump?
Yeah. Like 50-pound carp. It was insane.
Let's go on the end. Over there. I'm thinking like right on this corner. That wasn't the cast I wanted. Dude, I'm rusty. Yeah, on that corner is like, right on this corner is the spot, man.
Yeah, this is where I caught the 4-pound. Alright, I'm gonna go a little bit faster. I'm a little sinking.
Yeah. I'm working the bottom usually. Oh, there's one. There he is. Oh, that feels good, dude. Net. Net. That's good. That's a good fish. He's not done. Nice, first smallmouth of the year. Hopefully we can land him. That's big. Net. Nice, bro. Look at that. Beast.
Hold on.
That's
Does he
going.
have a scar?
That's going for.
Does he have a scar?
I don't know. I don't see one. That's a nice smallie, dude. Look at that. Come here. Nice fish. You have your scale?
Yeah.
Can I weigh him?
No.
3.46. Not quite. I didn't think it was gonna go 4, but that's a good fish.
Hold on, you said that's 4.
I said it might go 4.
That's going 4.
All right, I'm gonna get this girl back so she can get ready to spawn. You! Well, me and Adrian are out here. He's choking and dying.
Oh.
Jeez, dude, are you gonna be okay? Choking and dying.
I'm good.
Caught my first smallmouth of the year. Little over 3 pounds. Not a bad way to start.
Excuse me.
Probably should have been out here earlier this week. Let's get a couple more, huh? As the sun's setting here. You're gonna be all right, bro.
It went in my throat wrong.
That's what she said.
It's dripping all over.
There's another one. Oh, yeah. I'm not. Oh, it came off. That kind of felt like a pike, dude. It was thrashing. That felt big, honestly. You don't want to back that up right along this wall?
Quick Adrian special?
Yeah, dude, steal my fish. Stealing fish special. There's another one. There he is. There he is.
Hold on, I'm on your line.
I got a pretty good one.
I don't know where
I don't think it's as good as that last one. Can you just hand me that net? I'll net him.
No, I got it.
Oh, dude, oh my God, that's a giant. That's a good one, I got it. Oh, yeah.
Do you just want me to net it?
No, I got it. This isn't my first rodeo. I am gonna be kind of mad if I lose this fish.
Come on.
Got him.
Holy shit.
That's a monster, bro.
That's a 5.
Get your...
That's a 5.
No way.
That's a 5. That is a 5. Right
Dude, that might go 5. Get your scale. Holy crap, look at this bass, dude. That's a pig. Hook him up. Zeroed out?
Yep.
4.1, 4.2.
Well, let's test this out again.
Yeah, let's recalibrate. 4.14. That might be my biggest smallie on record.
Boom. Wait,
Monster,
he
dude.
doesn't have a scar?
No, that's a fat fish, bro. Look at this massive smallmouth. Lake St. Clair smallies. See if we can get another one.
Let's see.
Woo-hoo-hoo! That was a big, big girl.
It's gonna come right
Yes, dude. I feel like that was the fish that I hooked.
Nice.
Dude, that was sweet. Thanks for the net help. Where's my rod? Oh, I was like, did I throw my rod in after that? Wow, it's funny how they're all along this wall right here. You might want to switch back to the green pumpkin. No paddles. Yeah. I'm just saying I'd rather use my kayak. Oh, there's one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Yeah, I got it. Oh, oh my God. It's not as good as the others. I got it. Keep fishing, man. Keep fishing.
It's okay.
No, keep fishing.
I'd rather net than.
Yeah?
I'd rather be a part of this.
Part of the journey?
Yeah.
This might need a minute. That's a big fish. Not as big as the last one, but
Solid
3 pounder.
2, 3.
Nice job. Yeah, that's like a
No, that's like a 3.
like a 3. Oh, solid. Thanks, brother. This fish is cold.
I'm cold.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going 3 for sure. Another decent one. Lake St. Clair, schmally. Early season. We're on them. That's the second one I belly flopped like that. You can tell I'm out of practice. Come on, dog. On the lift, On the lift and pull. Yeah, no, I'm not really dragging it on the bottom. I'm going like this, bro. Cast it out, let it fall, shake it a couple times, then I just lift and pull. There's no way that's another one. They've all been right along the wall. Every fish I've caught has been along the wall, which is pretty dope. Whoops. Thanks. Like 5 inches off the wall each time. Oh. Still there? I had one over here. Come over here and cast. It was right on the drop. What are you, allergic to fish? I want to be a guide service to you like you were to me. Just trying to pay it forward. I can't even see that boat because of the fog. There's one. Yeah, you cast over my rod. It's cool, I got it. I got it.
No, I'm here.
All right, man. That's another like 3-pounder too. Dude, they're all good this year. Nice job. That one might be 2.5 actually. They're just getting smaller. Decent. Another decent one. Not as big as the last, but terrible throwback job today. I'm out of practice, you guys. They're all coming off the wall. See if we can cast out and get one. Tell you what, man, this beats ice fishing. You can, just not today. Putting too much pressure on yourself. I also just think they're probably done.
Yeah, so then they were done when you were catching all of them?
I mean, it's pretty dark.
Oh, nice. I mean, you just like hooked my thing.
No, oh, I have one.
Really?
Still there. Yep. Oh, immediately. Dude, cast right there. Come on, you gotta get one. For the video, for the video.
Oh, wait. Oh.
I got smoked right there. Right in front of the thing.
No, actually, I don't.
You do?
No. It's because you
I'm better? No, I didn't.
Like around my line.
Just for that, I'm gonna catch it. Are you gonna catch?
Go ahead.
Hit it up, dude.
I went like this.
Yeah, and
Yes, as soon as I did that,
watch this.
you were like, oh.
Was I like that?
Yeah.
Felt small, but I'm gonna kill you. Like, I don't know what a fish biting feels like. All right, you ready to go? I got a headache. I need to drink some water. That Jersey Mike's got me dehydrated, bruh. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm editing this video right now, and I just realized I don't have an outro. So me and Adrian were screwing around. We were like casting jigs at each other, but it was too dark for you to see. But always a hilarious time fishing with that dude. We're actually probably going out a little bit later today. I got a bunch of content to edit. I realized I've been away for a couple weeks. My last video was like a week ago, and there was like a 3-week gap before that. I've been looking for houses with Katie, so that's super cool, and just a lot's been going on, so I appreciate your patience. Yesterday I was on a boat with Jared and Josh doing a little walleye trip with some cool dudes that booked a walleye charter with them. Tim, Craig, and Nick. Those guys are super cool. We caught a bunch of fish, so that's gonna be coming out. And then last week, me and Josh O were out there doing a little bass fishing, breaking in his new boat. So a lot of boat trips coming up in the next couple videos. I'm gonna try and get them all edited today, so that'll be cool. I'll try and drop them as quickly as I can. But as always, thank you so much for watching. If you're new around here, please subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a like down below, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. And as always, I'm Dink Dangler. I'll see you next time. Look, there's one. Got him. Nice, dude. Yes.